Sinimulan na ng SM Supermalls ang pakikiisa sa mas malinis na komunidad na nakakatulong sa kalikasan sa pamamagitan ng paggamit ng solar power. Ang detalye sa report ni TJ Mendoza.
Powered by sunlight. 100 megawatt peak energy capacity na ang solar power ng SM Supermalls across 59 malls nationwide. Yan ang inanunsyo ng SM Supermalls bilang pakikiisa nila sa clean and renewable energy na commitment ng kumpanya sa sustainability at climate action.
Sustainability is part of the core business strategy of SM. As of today, we have powered 100 megawatts of energy from the sun. The clean energy is part of the sustainability pillar, and this benefits our communities and a very highlight of our environmental, social, and economic aspects.
Ang 100 megawatts ng sunlight energy, napapanatili ng SM Supermalls ang kanilang operasyon habang nababawasan naman ang carbon emissions. Ang 100 megawatt energy, katumbas nito ang pagpapaliwanag sa 43,000 na kabahayan kada taon. Million smartphones na sabay-sabay magcha-charge kada taon at 62,000 na electric vehicles ang mapapagana kada taon.
Kasi pag walang araw, they'll have to get from Meralco's power, diba? Kung ano yung nasa distribution. And then they pay the normal rates. Pero kung nandyan battery nila, and then their solar panels, it's cheaper for them also. No? It's a win-win situation. We want to reach 35% by 2030. And I think we're on track, especially if we have partners like this, like SM, kasi they've seen the value of clean and cheaper energy.
So for example, ako, may bahay ako, no? So I put up solar. Ang electricity bill ko was like 8,000 pesos. When I installed 5 kilowatt of solar, naging 4,000 na lang siya. So halos kalahati. So I really recommend to people that have roofs na maglagay ng rooftop solar on our own. Di kailangan ganito kalaking mall. Pwedeng sa bahay-bahay lang.
TJ Mendoza para sa Mata ng Agila, matatag, matapang, matapat.